The clock is already ticking. You have exactly 3 seconds. 3 seconds to stop the scroll, to make a stranger pause and stay. Your thumbnail isn't really a picture. It's the moving start of your short. Those first moments are pure gold. Eye-catching, clear, and impossible to ignore. Say your idea out loud instantly. Ask a daring, almost outrageous question. Or drop a shocking, bold statement. It must tie directly to your title. Remember, short words, sharp delivery, quick cuts. If they feel bored, they'll swipe. Keep your voice filled with energy. Look straight into the camera lens. If you hook them here, they stay. 70% will watch beyond this, but only if the idea hits. A weak idea won't survive editing. Start with proven concepts from your niche. Recycle hits from your long videos, or borrow viral moments from other platforms. If it works elsewhere, it might here. Don't just inspire curiosity, maintain it. Use mini thumbnails inside your video. Every few seconds, reopen a curiosity loop. Twist, fast jokes, or hints of trouble. Imagine someone about to swipe away. Give them a reason to hold on. Flash a keyword on screen. Zoom in when saying something shocking. Here's a quick tip mid-video. Comment if this makes sense. It boosts engagement before the end. Write a tight script before filming. Cut filler. Keep the best moments. Plan moments for looping seamlessly. End in a way that restarts naturally. This is the repeatable viral formula. A tested idea that people want. A killer 3-second moving thumbnail. Hooks hidden throughout to keep them watching. And a loop to keep them rewatching. Don't panic if views start small. Many of my virals took months. Patience and consistency make the algorithm trust you. Scatter micro calls to action inside the video. Pause and write this down now. Guess what happens in the comments? These small asks keep viewers active, always finish with urgency in mind. Not just what they'll learn, but what they'll lose if they skip. Follow this exactly, and your next viral could be less than 9 posts away. If you found this useful, like, and comment next if you want part 2.